SMA26 Pro RTK GNSS Review, the survey tool that might just outrun the big brands. Ever felt chained to sluggish, unreliable survey gear? You're out in the field, sun beating down, wrestling with unstable connections and GPS fixes that never stick. Every wasted minute means another project falling behind. The frustration builds, time lost, energy drained, and focus shattered. It's like fighting with tools designed to hold you back instead of push you forward. Then comes the pressure cooker. Stacked projects, clients breathing down your neck, and crews waiting while your precision gear stumbles. Stress spikes, burnout creeps in, and missed chances sting hard. Every dropped fix, every calibration delay, every hour wasted costs more than money. It costs momentum, credibility, and opportunities that won't circle back. You can't afford to keep working this way. Meet the SMA26 Pro Rover and Base RTK GNSS survey system, a breakthrough kit that flips the script. This isn't another overpriced, overcomplicated box. It's real relief in your hands. With plus or minus 8 mm horizontal accuracy, 2.5 cm tilt precision, and no fuss IMU compensation up to 60 degrees tilt, it nails shots in tight corners and behind obstacles. Built on multi-constellation tracking, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BeiDou, it locks in fixes where weaker units float. The all-in-one integration, Bluetooth, 4G, Wi-Fi, UHF, IMU, 32 GB storage, means fewer dongles, fewer headaches. One surveyor recalled finishing a 600-point topo 2 hours faster than usual, thanks to tilt-enabled shots and seamless DXF exports back at the office. And with an Android handheld collector, 5.45-inch screen, dual SIM, 9,000 mAh battery, preloaded survey software. Setup takes minutes, not half a day. Waterproof, dustproof, drop-resistant, and running up to 20 hours, it's built for real-world abuse. The SMA26 Pro doesn't just keep up, it quietly eliminates the bottlenecks holding you back. What does that mean in practice? Streamlined workflows, sharper focus, and projects that actually finish on time. Analysts hail it as a dual-frequency powerhouse priced like a single-frequency unit, calling the built-in 4G for NT/RIP a game-changer for crews who hate extra modems. Influencers gush over tilt compensation, curb shots and corner points without touching the bubble. It saves serious time. Field reviewers confirm. Setup in under a minute. Fix held in mixed environments where mid-tier gear drifted. Customers echo the hype. Accuracy matches our high-end units. The 4G link is instant. The IP67 build shrugged off rain and mud. Another wrote, battery ran a full shift with margin. Paid for itself in the first few jobs. Even skeptics admit, for this price, I expected compromises. Instead, it outperformed our backup kit and made single crew jobs painless. From construction layouts to cadastral surveys, utilities mapping to engineering stakeouts, the SMA26 Pro delivers the speed, flexibility, and reliability that legacy systems promised but rarely delivered. So why are professionals raving? Because it simply works, and works fast, without the usual trade-offs. Isn't that exactly what your projects deserve? Don't wait while others level up their workflows. The SMA26 Pro Rover and Base RTK GNSS is in high demand, with limited stock moving fast. Join surveyors, engineers, and contractors already saving hours per job and boosting accuracy without breaking the bank. Seize this chance, secure yours today, crush downtime, and future-proof your field kit. Projects won't wait, and neither should you. Act now. The upgrade your crew deserves is just one decision away.